We have another example, but this time we are going to have don't care conditions. Once we are going to have in the following cells, cells 6, 12, 15, and 14, and we have don't care conditions in cell 0, cell 3, cell 4, and cell 7. Remember, we use don't cares only when we need them. Check how many of them we are going to use. I can create the group of 4 cells, including this don't care over here. One group. So this don't care is very useful for me. And I can have another group of 4 cells. This one. So this don't care is very useful for me. These two, they are not useful, so that's why I'm going to ignore them. I have 2 groups. This group is placed in 2 rows and 2 columns. The common variable for these 2 rows is C. I write C. And the common variable for these 2 columns is A naught. I'm going to write A naught. Or this group is placed in 2 rows, C, and 2 columns. Common variable for these 2 columns is B. Can we factorize something? Yes, we can factorize C. And inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have A naught B. You can implement this function or this one. For this expression, I'm going to use AND or and not. So this circuit is smaller and it's cheaper. That's why I'm going to implement this one. I have input C and I have OR gate with inputs A naught and B. Input C has to be AND with output of this OR gate. These are the solutions to my problem.